Have you ever walked past a meat case and seen the name of a beef cut you weren't familiar with? Or maybe you're just looking to try something new. In today's Beef 101, we're highlighting a few cuts we think you should know about that absolutely deliver. I'm Chef Dagan, and this is Beef 101. Let's start with the flat iron steak. It comes from the chuck, which may surprise you, but it's actually the second most tender cut of beef, right behind the tenderloin. Because of how it's trimmed, it cooks evenly and gets a beautiful sear. It has bold beef forward flavor that is delicious. This is a great cut for the grill or in a skillet. Next up is chuck eye steak, sometimes called a poor man's ribeye or Delmonico steak. It's cut right next to the ribeye, so it has a similar marbling and flavor. Cook it hot and fast, you get a juicy, flavorful steak that punches above its weight. Moving to the sirloin, let's talk about bavette steak, also known as sirloin flat. It's cut from the lower portion of the sirloin and it's full of flavor. It's actually one of my personal favorites because of its versatility. You'll see this cut in various sizes and it works great on a flat top. The key is slicing it thinly against the grain, which helps make the beef more tender. If low and slow is more your speed, beef shank is a great choice. It's cut from the leg, so it's full of connective tissue that breaks down during longer, slower cooking methods like braising. Because it's cooked slow and low, it has a rich, beefy flavor. And finally, culotte. You may also see this in the store as sirloin cap or picanha. This cut was made famous in Brazilian steakhouses and is recognizable because of its shape and thick fat cap. It's naturally tender, super flavorful, and incredibly versatile. Roast it, smoke it, or grill it. This cut can do it all. Class dismissed. These less common cuts prove one thing. When you understand how a cut works, you unlock more flavor, more value, and more confidence in the kitchen. For more information on beef cuts, visit beef@sportsfordinner.com/cuts. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.